Do you want to learn how to wrap a kitchen? Are you starting a new business or just honing existing skills or even wrapping in your own home? Wrapco Pro Training is for you. Kitchen wrapping is booming. All over the nation and the world are adopting this brand new renovation alternative. Save your customers up to 80% versus traditional renovation methods. Now is the time to jump on this crusade of renovation. In this course, we're going to cover every essential element in wrapping a kitchen, like this door, like the face of this cabinet, even the cornicing that goes on top. We are going to take you through every step of the installation process, not just the practical application, from the job starting to the job signing off. The theory behind the kitchen wrap. We're going to give you the information that you need, including preparation techniques, specifications on materials, proper application on different substrates, the theory behind customer management, pricing, and so much more. Now for the fun part, the practical application. This is where you're going to learn the techniques required to carry out that successful installation, and more importantly, a lasting installation. We are going to give you the ability to tackle any of these surfaces with ease. We're going to talk about the tools that you need to carry out a successful installation, all the techniques to know when and where to use these tools properly. The secrets of kitchen wrapping you won't find anywhere else in the world, straight from the front lines of installation for over 10 years, and we are going to share everything. After we've finished the theoretical, the practical, we're going to get into the business, the actual business model of running and sustaining a successful kitchen wrap company. Not just how to operate, but also marketing and customer management, all encompassing to fast track you to run your own successful kitchen wrap business. Since the announcement of our 2025 Wrapco Pro Training, it has been unbelievable. The interest coming in has been nothing like you've experienced before. Don't miss your chance. Register now using the link in the bio. In just 2 days, you're going to level up from a wrap novice to a Wrapco Pro.